How can you turn a bunch of numbers into something meaningful, or use statistics and maths to predict financial markets?
The finance industry is not easy to break into. It's competitive, and there are many technical skills that you simply can't pick up on a job. That is where the SMU's Master of Science in Quantitative Finance makes all the difference.
This is a program that is built for practitioners and taught by practitioners. Some of our professors even manage their own hedge funds, giving us a unique opportunity to learn directly from those shaping the financial industry.
Unlike pure finance or mathematics master's programs, the MQF bridges abstract concepts with concrete applications. Students can pick one of the elective tracks in algorithmic trading, financial data science, or risk analytics to build their niche and become a cross-disciplinary expert.
Our program emphasizes an action-based learning approach that integrates practical projects with industry collaborations, equipping graduates with real-world experience directly applicable to the modern financial industry.
We learn sophisticated quantitative and computational techniques through AI-driven modules and hands-on projects.
In one project, we built a model to analyze news headlines and predict stock returns for portfolio trading. The professors provided the foundational skills, and we applied and built on them through our own projects. These projects serve as a powerful portfolio to demonstrate our capabilities and work.
We have continuous professional engagement and feedback to integrate emerging technologies. Students gain real-world experience through industry collaborations and internships, while international option offers a unique global immersive experience.
Because of SMU's partnership with GAP, I attended a one-week intensive ARPM Quant bootcamp in New York. We delved into advanced topics even beyond the master's level, perfect for those looking to take their knowledge further.
I really love the community here. Everyone knows each other, and we all contribute to a very active alumni network. There are events every month, and I'm also mentoring those who are just starting out in the industry.
I achieved my goal of working in Singapore's financial industry as a quantitative developer, a role that I find fulfilling and meaningful.
The skills I gained in the program, especially in risk analytics, helped me understand how models and data science shape strategies.
The MQF program equips us for a wide range of roles in the industry, helping us navigate the financial ecosystem. It has propelled my career to the next level.
Gain the quantitative edge that the market demands. Advance your future with SMU.